oldest method used in Python.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joram and today I'm going to be taking you through the list method that I used in Python. For example, when I open a bracket, 1, comma, 2, come here, I put a dot. So when I put dot, you're going to see every list that I used in Python. We have index, we have count, we have pop, we have append, we have clear, we have copy, we have extend, we have insert, we have remove, we have reverse, and we have sort, and so many and so many and so many. So these are all the things we are going to be looking at in this video. And without wasting a lot of time, let's go to the tutorial today. So let's go there.
Lambanologic Solutions, the ultimate solution channel.
Append.
List method is append. So here I have a list of color, which is blue, red, and yellow. So how do I add another list, another item in this list? So I'm going to use a method called append. So in append, what I'm going to do in append, come here, I write color like this, I put a dot, then I'll go with append, open bracket, single quotation, double quotation, and it can work. I'm going to add pink in this list, and from there I'll come here, I'll say I print what? I'm going to print color. Print color. That's what I'm going to print. When I save this, and I go ahead and I hit on run this code, and there is coming, waiting, and you see I'm getting pink. So what happens if I want to get another, I want to add another new item or another new color in this list? When I come here and I say, I'll put another quotation, I say I want to add black. When I save this and I run, we are getting an error. Why? Because append here, method append here only takes one argument. What do I mean by argument? I mean meaning the item that I've put inside this append. So to add a new item in this list, I'm going to remove this, and I will add another one like this. I will put color like this. I put dot. I go with append, open a bracket. I want to add what? Black. So I save this, and you will see if I run this code, and this time around you see my black. So this is how you can add a list. You can add a new item in the list using append.
Insert.
Insert. So how does insert work? Now insert helps us to position item where you want it to be. Like for example, do you want it to be in the first position? Do you want it to be in the second, the third, the fourth, depending on the list that you have. So for example here, I am going to add another item, but this time around I'm going to position it. For example, I'm going to add another color here, but I'm going to make that color to be first. Now I'm coming here, I say color like this, I put dot, and I go to insert, I open a bracket. So make sure that you put, like when I'm positioning it, I'm going to put 0 and I put comma, open a quotation. Then what do I want to add? Maybe I want to add green color. I want to add green color. So when I save this and I run, you're seeing green here coming number one, becoming number 1. So if you want to put in the last, so this is how you see now. Here, pink takes position 0, which is 1. Blue takes position 2, which is okay. Pink takes position number 1, which is 0, and blue, which is 1. That's position number 2, and black position number 3, which is 2. So if I want to put green, I'm going to add another color, but I want to put it in the last. I'm going to make it last. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just coming here and I say color like this. I put dot and I say insert. So this time around I'm going to put bracket and I'm going to position. I'm going to put 4. I'm going to put 4. I put the color. My battery is running low. Sorry. So I put like this, and here I'm going to another color. For example, any color gold. So when I save this and I run this, you are seeing I'm having gold being the last. So it depends on where you want to place your item. That's how you can use insert method in Python.
Extend.
The list method is extend. Now to extend, what I'm going to do here, to extend, simply I want to add some list into the list. I want to add some item rather into the list. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to copy the entire this. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste here. So in here, I'm going to change this to be color 2. And this, instead of green, I'll just remove this. Perhaps I put, what shall I put? I can put orange. I'll put orange over here. And yes, I'll put orange over there. Then this one, instead of pink, perhaps I can put, okay. Let me just put something like gold. Okay, like gold. So I'm going to remove this one also. So I want to extend this list I want to extend this item in the list 1. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to come here and I say color dot come on color dot I go to extend. So open bracket. So what I'm going to extend color 2. I'm going to extend color 2 down here. So when I extend color 2, I come down here and I will print over it. I'll print a color. That's what I'm going to print color. So once I finish this, that's what I have to print. So once I finish this, I save this. So when I run this like this, so I'm able to see orange and gold, what I added here, what I extended. So this is how you how come you can use extend in Python.
Index.
Is index. Now index, we use index to find out find the position of an item in a list. Like for example, I have a list of color where I have green, pink, and black. So if I want to know the position of black, or I want to know the position of blue, or of pink, or green, so what I do here, I'll come here and I say color, color dot, I say index, it's index, then I'll open bracket, I'll just put here green, I'll put here green, so I'll go ahead and print. I'll go ahead and print what? I'll go ahead and print what? Print this. Save this. So when I run this, you see I'm having, it's in position 0, meaning green is in, it's according to the list I'm having here, green comes number first, or it comes number 1. So if I want pink, instead of green, we put here pink. Save this. So when I run this, I'm having 1, meaning it's in second position. So that's how index is used in Python.
Remove.
And the next list method is remove. So now remove is used to remove an item from the list. Like for example, I have here this list of color where I have green, pink, and black. So if I want to remove black, so what do I do here? So here, first thing I'll do, I'll put color dot arrow, and I go to remove. So I'm going to remove black here. Rotation, arc, like this. So I will go ahead and say print color. When I save this, and I run, so you are seeing I don't have color, I don't have black here.
Count.
So this is how we can use count method. Now with count method here, count helps us to find out how many times item has appeared in a list. Like for example, you have seen me have made some I've duplicated some item here, blue, being twice. So I'm going to go here. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set some variable. For example, color. I'm going to say color underscore one is equal to color is equal to color dot count. I just put there something like this, count. Okay, see the count down here. Now I'm going to put here what I want to count. So this time around I want to count quick. So I'm going to count quick. So when I come here down here and I say print color and one, and I save this. You see I'm having one number. So when I go ahead and I put here blue and I save, I'm having 2. So what happens if I put something that's not there? I put like orange and I save this. See, we're having 0. So this is how you can use count in Python.
Clear.
And now the next list method is clear. How do you use clear as a list method here? So assuming I want to remove everything, I want to remove all the items that are in list color. So what I do here, like for example, I have blue, red, and yellow. So when I run this once more, you're going to see I have blue, red, and yellow. So how do I remove everything here if I want to remove like every item from this list? So what I'm going to do with clear, I'm just going to come here, I say color like this, I put dot, and I go to the next one, which is color. So I put a bracket, I save this, I highlight it, and I save this and I run this. You see I'm having nothing inside here. The Python interpreter returns nothing. So if I manage to put something here, like for example, I open quotation here, then I put maybe I put red. I save this. So when I run this, you are seeing we are getting error. Why? Because they're saying that it's saying that list here clear cannot take any argument, or it does not take any argument in other ones. So this is how you use clear method in Python.
The end.